Also, I forgot to mention, part of your regular checks, make sure you got water in the tank before you go out, and check your grease pump. There has grease in it, and then on all of these pumps, that grease, you should see a mixer. Turn it. As soon as you go pump on, it'll start mixing. As well as you'll see, you can't see it on this one, but on yours you'll have a grease switch. If you flick it, that should turn for 2 minutes. So before a job, I'll flick that switch, which will prime all the grease lines through. After a job, I'll flick that mix when I'm washing out. And if I'm doing like a couple of hundred cubes, I'll probably just flick the grease switch every 60 or 70 cubes. Grease is cheap. Make sure to use an EP00, a semi-liquid grease. And if you've got a little bit of grease hanging around the arse end, or when you wash out, you got grease up in this line, mate, no problem at all. Better to have grease than no grease. If you notice that it's not greasing, you better get on to fixing that grease pot.